Hi there, students. To obfuscate. To obfuscate, or a noun, obfuscation. Let's see, to obfuscate is to make something less clear and harder to understand. Yeah? So he used long words to obfuscate his message. This is especially when it's done intentionally. Companies use accounts and statistics to obfuscate the real situation of the company, if they've got problems, that is. So to obfuscate is to dress something up in really fancy, complicated words so that people don't understand it. To obfuscate, you can also use it to mean to make hazy, to make not clear, something you can't see clearly. So the fog obfuscated the view we had of the lighthouse. Okay, you could see it, but not very well. Okay, so to obfuscate, to muddy the waters, to make things difficult to understand. They also use obfuscate in internet. Maybe you could obfuscate by putting confusing or false information to make it difficult or to stop software engines collecting information about you. Yeah, so he used various techniques to obfuscate his online movements. Okay, so to obfuscate, most commonly to dress up in horribly difficult language so that you can't understand it. Yeah, to obfuscate the issue. The aim of this is to obfuscate the reader, to confuse the reader. Okay, so if something obfuscates, it's evasive, it's unclear. A politician never gives a direct answer. He always tries to obfuscate the issue. Yeah, when there is an accident or something bad happens, maybe the officials try to obfuscate what has happened. To cloud, to fog, to muddy, to confuse, yeah? Politicians keep obfuscating the issue. Stop obfuscating and use plain English. Okay, so making something so confused or opaque that it's difficult to understand. Legal contracts obfuscate their real meaning. They're so long-winded that they make it difficult to understand. Or this, the fog obfuscated the shoreline and we couldn't see clearly. They are deliberately obfuscating the matter. They're covering it. They're hiding it. Yeah, they're making it difficult to see. Okay, and that's the idea of to obfuscate. To deliberately make something confusing in order to conceal the truth. He's obfuscating the facts. The murderer set fire to the building in order to obfuscate any evidence of his identity. Yeah? Okay, so to obfuscate, to deliberately mask, to confuse, to muddle. Yeah? Or to make it unclear. Yeah, if I take off my glasses, the world becomes obfuscated. Yeah, cloudy, and I can't see it clearly. So let's see, how formal is this verb to obfuscate? This is a formal verb. I'm probably going to give it a 7.5, maybe even an 8. Use it in something semi-formal or very formal, yeah? But don't use obfuscate in an informal conversation. To muddy the waters, to confuse the matter, yeah? To use big words, to use jargon. And then this comes from late Latin obfuscare, ob, which I think means against, and fuscare from fusco, I darken. So darkening against, making something dark, yeah, making it not transparent, you just can't see it. Okay, so I hope I haven't obfuscated this explanation. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Obfuscate.